No problem. Oh, very busy. Whoop. Geez, this thing's eager to get going. Adams, buttons there. Thanks for going on. Still says UL. Go back.
Go ahead.
Yeah,
All right.
I'm getting a quick project here.
All right, thank you.
No problem.
Thank you very much.
All right, let's write it down. This is definitely Montgomery. Hear that MAC interlock? And this is actually my first Montgomery elevator in months. This is my first American elevator in months. I just realized that. Good to be back. How's it going? And also, I would show that chime, but it looks like it's going back up. Listen to that. Sounds like the motor's actually a little bit far away from the door. Anyway, that's all.